Hello and welcome. I created this shot to study the animated vein system that you can see on the screen. I thought this particular geometry would help me explain the mechanism in a better way. As you can see, there are craters over the surface of the worm, and they have been used as obstacles for the veins, so we don't have veins passing through them. The animation here is not very important. I just wanted something moving around and deforming. So let me show you the plan. In the next video, we will create the worm geometry. Then I will explain a few concepts about the vein system, like find shortest path, vex script, and so on. Then we will create the actual vein system for the worm. And finally, we will see how to apply materials and other stuff for the final rendering. So let's dive in.